Hello guys, welcome to Simpleng Hardin. So I'm doing the talking now, and we're going to do some fixing in our garden because you see we have two orchids here tied to this driftwood. Well, actually we also have that. It's another orchid. How many orchids do we have here? 4. I see another one here, and there are 3 over there. But anyway, our concern right now are these two, because these two orchids are exposed to direct sunlight. Kaya we have to change their location. And they're tied. They're tied by twine, see? And also this. But actually if I just pull it, can actually, there you go. The twine is actually rotted. So you can easily pull these off. So we're going to find a new location for this, because as you can see, this orchid isn't really healthy. It's pale, it looks dry, and it hasn't flowered in a long time. So it needs more humidity, right? Where's a good place for these orchids? Okay. So we're going to try to relocate these over there where it's more humid. Alright, so we're here on the other side. I'm going to find the location for this orchid. What's the best place for this orchid? I'm just gonna put it here. There you go. This is a good temporary place. Or maybe here. It's better if I put it here. Yeah. I'll get the other one and put it over there. Okay, now I'm gonna try to pry this loose. I'm hoping that the twine is also rotted. Okay, there you go. See? What's this? These termites. Anay. Termites. We got termites. See? It's eating the coconut husk. They're eating the coconut husks. So let's transfer this. Yeah, let's put this here. That's a new home for this orchid. These two. I think I'll bunch them together here. There. Now we've got a new home for our two orchids. Alright, now that I've pulled off our two orchids from their original location, we now have two bare spots. So it seems obvious we have a termite problem here. This driftwood isn't going to last a long time. It's going to be eaten up from the inside out by termites. So now we need to put some new plants where our orchids used to be. So what do you think? What plants should we place here? Okay, I've got this turtle vine here, our variegated turtle vine. Maybe it'll look good here. But still, we've got termites. They'll eat the coconut husk. That might not be a good idea. So just put the turtle vine back here. Yeah. Okay, still don't know what plant to put in there. What do you think? What plant should we put in place of orchids? Isip-isip. Oh.
Baka...
Okay, so you already have another pair of orchids transferred here. So the other pair that I transferred is over there. Or, yeah. So there's two there and there's another pair here. Okay, I'm trying to get this one Maybe this will work even though it's practically empty. Well, it's not really empty. It's got, I don't know what plant this is, but it's a bit dried up. Let's see. We can plant something in here. I don't know how to put this in here anyway. There, that. I think that's a better choice. Yeah. Ito, you can use that. You can use this. You put the hook in here. 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 Here, take this. There. Okay, there you go. Yeah, that looks nice, right? Hey guys, so that's our episode for today, and hope to see you again next time. See you around.